Let's discuss the section custom filters now. So let's again create a copy. cd space dot cp minus r 11 routing 12 custom filters. So we have our new folder custom filters. Lot of files are open. Let me close all of them. Yeah. So now we have so many files in the folder. So let's first organize them in folders and then we'll move ahead. Let me go to the folder structure, training, Angular training, and 12 custom filters. So there are so many files. Let me create a folder for having controllers, one for services, one for templates, one for external library files. Let's call it vendor. Right. Let me move this controller here, card controller to controllers, add book controller, and then book controller as well. Right. Let's move book service to services. Similarly, let's move card service to services. Let's move the home.html to templates. Let it be here. Angular and Angular route to vendor. Menu controller is also there. Move to controllers. Uh, and let's create a folder for CSS. And let's move this cart and styling here. New book to templates. Card.html to templates. Yeah, now our code looks a lot cleaner. Let's come back. So there is a folder for controllers. All the controllers are here. CSS is here. Services are here. Templates are here. And vendor, the vendor files, the external library files are here. So let's correct the paths also. Vendor slash app.js, servers.js, controller slash here also, and here also, services slash, and here also. Right, inside routes, the path to template is different now. Templates slash templates, sorry, car.html, newbook.html, and this is the name of the controller, not the path to the controller, so it will remain same. Looks good. Inside templates, home.html, we have used an image for button, so this is now at /css slash, so at this location. So let's check. Let's open the index.html for this folder. There seems to be some error. Yeah, we cannot directly open it. We'll need to run some server. So let's do that. cd 12 http server -p 5000 localhost 5000. Yeah, so our app is back. So everything works fine. Now it's a time to create a filter, our own filter, and we can see that the titles are filtered using that uppercase filter. However, there is another filter, another type of title generally seen on shopping cart websites. So that is title case, which means the first letter is capital and the rest of the letters are small letters. So we'll create a filter which will convert this into title case. So to create a filter, let's create a new folder to hold all our filters and a new file. Let's call it title case.js and we'll create our filter books cart dot filter title case function. So this function has to return a function which takes a input and returns a output. So right now I'm just returning what I'm getting. So this is the skeleton of the filter, right? It looks like this. And if I since I have included a new file, so I need to make an entry filters title case dot js. So here it is, and when I want to use it at home.html title instead of uppercase, so I'll use the filter I have just created, title case. So let's see what is the output. It's not able to find style.css. Maybe there is a mistake in index.html. The style.css is at css slash style.css. Yeah. So so nothing happens. So the titles were by default like this. So let me change it for now. So the data is in the service. The Alchemist. So so it is some random case. Yeah. So the title is showing as it is. So our filter is doing nothing. So it is just returning what it is getting, right? Now whatever I return, so this is the input and whatever I return becomes the output, and that is shown here. So right now we want this to be title cased, as in first letter of all the words are capital and all the remaining letters are small. So let's write the code for that, where words equal to input dot split. It's split it with a space, so I'll get all the words and then I'll run a loop over it where I equal to 0, I less than words dot length I plus plus words I is, now I'll change words I, so I can write words I dot char at is a JavaScript string function, So it gives you the first character, caret 0 dot 2 uppercase is a method, JavaScript method. It converts it to uppercase and then concatenate it with words I dot slice 1. So it will basically slice this, it will create a substring of this string from position 1 to end dot to lower case. Yeah. So all the words are changed now, so they all are title cased individually, and I will just return words dot join with a space. So let's see what happens. Yeah, now everything is title cased, right? So we have just created a custom filter ourselves called title case, and it works awesome. Filters are dynamic also. For example, if I go to home.html and here I create a input type equal to text ng model equal to say books I dot title, something like this. Books I, no, it should be, let's have the first book, books 0 dot title. So the original is The Alchemist, right? If I add a new word, The Alchemist wins. So the filtering is happening dynamically. So right, so I see a capital letter here. So just like our inbuilt filters, this is everything, almost everything in Angular is dynamic. So this also is dynamic. So we just created a custom filter, and that's it.